first you want to take the keychain off the key, and then right on this side, right here, there's a little spot to pry. And you'll need a flathead screwdriver, ideally. And you want to take the screwdriver and put it in, make sure it's all the way in and even like that. Then twist a little bit, just to break it free. Now you don't want to allow anything to fall out. So you want to gently pry it apart like so. And make sure you're holding both sides when you do it, like that. Now this side right here, you can see that this inner part can pop out. So you can take this part out, clean it, put it back in, that kind of thing. But it can fall out if you're not careful. So you just want to keep that in mind. Set that to the side. Now, this is where the battery is located. And you notice this little spring right here. And then the battery's in between that spring. And basically just kind of make sure it doesn't fly out. And pry up right here. There's a little spot to pry. It's not like a heavily spring-loaded in there or anything, but you just want to make sure you got to keep it from going anywhere. You can take it out. And this one is the CR2032 battery. Then you can see this little spring in here. So what we want to do is go ahead and put it back, a new one in. And it kind of hooks on that side and then push down like that. It's very easy to put it back in. Now when putting this back together, you want to keep this facing up and then take the battery side and push it down. And you want to line it up. Basically just gently rest it on there and jiggle it. Make sure it's lined up in that seal. And just kind of gently kind of push it in all the way around, and it'll kind of fall in place. And then you see there's a gap, significant gap around it. You start pressing here at the front, like so, and then you go around the edge and press and snap it in place. And just double check. Once you got it all snapped in place, just make sure the edges all close together and you're all finished.